Hello everybody, I hope this angle is not too weird. I just got my Tonic craft kit, and honestly, I don't even know what it is this month. So we're going to take a look. Oh, I have seen this. It's the ice cream one. Little boxes. So let's take a look and see what we got in here. It seems like our little bag of goodies. Doesn't have as many goodies in it anymore. But little glue pens. Little tiny little ones. That's good, actually. Chalk mousse. We have crystal drops in red berry and crystal drops and glitter drops in white blizzard. So that's good. The dies. And of course, here's our sticker. Comes with an embossing folder. And then all the dies. Look at the little cherry. Here's our cone. Here's the little dripping icing. This will be for the cup. Nice. Sprinkles, I think, right here. Okay. And this is probably like a waffle cone texture. That will be nice. And so there's the boxes. And then it shows you can put a little waffle cone, coming out the top, or a little cherry. And then we have this paper pack. Let's take a look at it. It's called Scoops and Sprinkles. So I guess that's why our bag of goodies isn't so much anymore, because we're getting the paper. So is it one-sided? Oh. So this on one side and ice cream cones on the other. That's really pretty. This one looks like waffle on this side and just little squares. Sort of a plaid on this side. Here we have sprinkles and what is this called? There is a name for this, and I can't remember what it is. But anyways, it's green diamonds and white diamonds. Off-white. It's not white. We have cherries, and I guess that's kind of a red dot. And we have ice cream sundaes and a blue. They're kind of squares, but they're turned so that they're not square. I can't think of the word. Okay, and this is just dots, like maybe sprinkles. And more ice cream cones on the other side. It is directional. Okay. So that's the paper pad. It's funny to me that the white is not white. It's kind of an off-white. Unless that's the lighting in here, but it shouldn't be. Oh, they put the adhesive on this side of the bag. That's nice. Why doesn't everybody think of that? That way we don't get our stuff stuck coming in and out of it. And our paper. So it should be very ice cream-ish. So we have pink and yellow and a kind of vanilla color, a blue, a yellow shimmer, a chocolate brown, a blue shimmer, and a red glitter. That'll be nice for the cherry, I think. And that is the set. So we will have to use that. I'm going to go ahead and post this so y'all can see what's in it. But I will do a video coming up. All right, everybody. Let's see if this will fit in. It should. All right. So there we go. I hope everybody is having a blessed day today. The weather here is pretty nice. Not too hot. Not raining. We've got clouds moving in though, so I don't know if that means that we're going to get rain later on or not. But anyways, I hope your weather is great. And like I said before, have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.